Okay, we're going to take a look at an exam question. I'm not sure what number it is, but it's an example of Pythagorean trig. And here we go. You start off with this 4 tangent alpha plus 3 equals 0, and you're told that alpha is somewhere between 0 and 270 degrees. And it says, without using a calculator, figure out what 1 minus 2 sine alpha is. Okay, this is what you do. You go, well, there's 0 degrees, 90, 180, 270. It's somewhere in the first, second, or third quadrant. But then you solve this a bit, subtract 3, divide by 4. It says the tangent of this alpha is equal to negative 3 over 4. Well, the only place where tangent is negative is in the second and the fourth quadrant. So that means you have to draw your triangle here, where tangent is negative and it's between 0 and 270. So you draw your triangle. Because it's tangent, opposite over adjacent. There's your angle, but here's your triangle. Opposite is 3. The adjacent must be negative 4 because you're moving to the left and going up to get to this point. So there it is. Now, the big thing is you've got to figure out what the radius of this triangle is. And if you use Pythagoras, you go 3 squared plus negative 4 squared, square root it, you'll get that this is 5. This is a 3, 4, 5 triangle. So now we know that this radius is 5, this is 3, and this is minus 4. That's enough information to carry on to be able to do the next part. The next part, we're using an identity. And the identity is sine of 2 alpha. Our formula sheet that says sine of the double angle is 2 times the sine of the angle times the cosine of the angle. So just writing that out, you're almost to your answer, because the sine of the angle you can get from this triangle now. It's opposite over the hypotenuse, which is 5. It's 3 over 5. And then the cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. It's negative 4 over 5. That's the cosine of the angle. Then just go 2 times 3 times 4. Well, that's 24, but 2 negatives make a positive. 25 over 25 plus 24 over 25. Your answer is 49 over 25. You could just stick this in your calculator and you'll get, if you type this into your calculator so it looks like that, you'll get 49 out of 25. Okay, that's an example of a Pythagorean question. We'll try a different question in the next video.